Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Workplays video tutorial. In today's video, we'll be explaining the timesheet feature in SunFish Workplays. So let's dive in. The timesheet feature is part of the time and attendance module. The timesheet feature is used for tracking work tasks and activities, either in general, on internal and/or external projects. This feature can be used by all types of workers, whether you are in marketing, finance, IT, and so on. Timesheets are set up flexibly. Some companies ask for daily recording of activities. Others will only require it once a week. Your company policy will determine how often you use this feature. Important is to know that it is available on both the web-based version and on your mobile phone, fitting perfectly into your dynamic flow of work. Let's look at the web-based version first. When at the office, it's easy to use the web-based timesheet. It is part of the Time and Attendance menu. The timesheet main page holds various information by default shown for the current day. On the top right, you will see your current schedule and shift details as well as your actual start and/or end time and a calendar. Underneath are the fields located to enter your work-related activities and tasks. Please note that the example timesheet fields on this video may look differently, as it will be tailored to your company's requirements. To start filling the timesheet, you need to select the data. By default, it will be today's date, but you can also select another calendar date in the past if you are entering records for another day. Just click the relevant date on the calendar, and it will be filled in the Start Time field. Next, relate the project or project phase you have worked on. This field provides a selection box of possible options. The options here are coming from two places. A, from Settings, which are managed by a system administrator, a person with special setup privileges, and depend on your company's specific instructions. And B, from our project management feature, more specifically projects that have been added there that include your name working on them. From the options, select the right project name/phase that you have been working on. Then input the start and end time to state from when to when you worked on this project. When done, link your activity to a specific task. The task options will depend on the project phase you selected in the beginning and that have been assigned to you within this project. Then pick the relevant activity category from the list of options, and at last describe the work you specifically did in the remarks section. Throughout the day, you may either work on the same specific task the whole day, or you may conduct several activities. If you work on multiple tasks, you can hit plus Add Task Activity button to open as many fields as you need to record work activities. Repeat the same steps to fill them all out. Once everything is recorded, you have three options. First, save the timesheet by clicking the Draft tab. Second, preview the approver to check who will approve your submission, and finally send it to the approver if everything is done. You can also create templates for faster timesheet entry by clicking Edit Template and following the same steps. As mentioned above, you don't need to be in the office to do your timesheets. If you are on the road or on site with a customer, our mobile version allows you to record your tasks from anywhere you are. To do so, log in and open the More tab at the bottom right corner. Click the Time and Attendance module, and then select the timesheet request. On the main screen, you can choose between weekly or monthly views. The conditions and process for filling out the timesheet are the same as the web version. Simply select the project phase you're working on, enter the working hours, choose a task, if applicable, fill in the activity, and finally, add your description. Once completed, click Draft to save the timesheet for later, or click Submit to send it for approval if everything looks good. And the template preset can also be used just as in the web version. Simply click the Apply Template. And there we have it, the 2 easy ways to record your work activities in SunFish Workplays. If you still have questions, contact our friendly Data On support staff.